Welcome to this video on SQL any and all operators. In this video, we will explore advanced comparison techniques in SQL. In this section, let's understand what any and all operators are. Any and all are SQL operators used for comparing a value with a set of values returned by a subquery. They are used with comparison operators like equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, and so on. These operators simplify complex where conditions and provide an alternative to multiple or and conditions. Here is a basic syntax of how any and all are used in SQL queries. First, a select statement retrieves data from a table, and a where clause specifies a condition. The any or all operator is used with a comparison operator followed by a subquery that returns a set of values. The database compares the column value from the main query with each value returned by the subquery, and the any or all operator determines whether the condition is met based on these comparisons. Let's take a closer look at the any operator. The any operator returns true if any of the subquery values meet the condition. Consider this example. To find products with a price higher than any product in the electronics category, we use a select statement to retrieve the product name and price from the products table. In the where clause, the any operator checks if the price of a product is greater than any of the prices returned by the subquery. The subquery selects prices from the products table where the category is electronics. This is equivalent to selecting product name and price from the products table, where price is greater than the minimum price from products where category is electronics. Here are a couple of examples to illustrate the use of the any operator. Example 1 equal to any, which is the in operator. This query finds customers who have ordered any of the specified products. This is equivalent to using the in operator. Example 2 greater than any. This query finds employees with a salary higher than any employee in the IT department. It returns true if the salary is greater than the minimum salary in the IT department. Now let's understand the all operator. The all operator returns true if all of the subquery values meet the condition. Here's an example. To find products with a price higher than all products in the books category, the all operator checks if the price of a product is greater than all of the prices returned by the subquery. The subquery selects prices from the products table where the category is books. This is equivalent to selecting product name and price from the products table, where price is greater than the maximum price from products where category is books. Here are a couple of examples to illustrate the use of the all operator. Example 1 greater than all. This query finds employees with a salary higher than all employees in the HR department. It returns true only if the salary is greater than the maximum salary in the HR department. Example 2, not equal to all, not in. This query finds products that have not been ordered by any customer in a specific region. This is equivalent to using the not in operator. Let's compare any versus all operators. The any operator returns true if any subquery value meets the condition, while the all operator returns true if all subquery values meet the condition. With the equals to operator, any is equivalent to in, whereas all is rarely used since all values must be equal. With the greater than operator, any means greater than the minimum value, while all means greater than the maximum value. With the less than operator, any means less than the maximum value, while all means less than the minimum value. With the not equals to operator, any means not equal to at least one value, while all is equivalent to not in. Let's summarize the best practices and uses of any and all operators. It is advisable to use any with equals to instead of in, and all with not equals to instead of not in for better readability. Keep in mind that null values can affect the results. It's important to be aware of the performance implications when using large subqueries. Consider using aggregate functions like min and max for simple cases. Any returns true if any subquery value meets the condition. All returns true if all subquery values meet the condition. Use any when you need at least one match, and use all when you need every value to match. Both operators simplify complex where clauses and make SQL queries more readable. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.